Set up Microsoft 365 for Google Workspace migration. Welcome to M365 Professional. To migrate email, calendar, and contacts from Google Workspace, you need to set up Microsoft 365 Business Premium with a temporary domain until your business domain is ready to be used with your subscription. Let's get started. Sign in to office.com. Choose Admin. Then go to Guided Setup. Optionally install Office apps. Then select Continue. Since you are migrating from Google Workspace, choose the default domain and select Use this domain. Enter your users' names and desired usernames. Verify your email address so you can receive your users' passwords. Then select Add Users and assign licenses. Enter the email addresses where your users will receive their new credentials. Select Send, Email, and Continue. Then continue again to connect your temporary domain. Optionally, choose to inform users in your organization about Teams. Then select Continue. Expand and review your Android and iOS settings. Then select Create Mobile App Management Policy. Provide feedback if desired, and choose Go to Admin Center. The next step in the process will be to set up protections for your organization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.